just did how they normally went. It's 1 o'clock. Ow. Still ain't one. Get some food. Get some food. Get some baths. Yeah. Yes. As long as we're in the sun, we are calm. It looks like I'm the only crazy when it comes to the park when it's snow. The other benches still have snow on it, but this one is perfect for me. It's not yogurt, it's skirt. Oh shit, that's cool. How much is the ginger?
Coming back tonight, so I wanted to like pull everything, but like doing the like right now because I don't know if it's like after that.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Augie. Come on. Hi guys. So that is the end of the silent vlog. I wanted to throw a little Easter egg in there, expressing some things to you all. But what's been on my mind heavy a lot lately is just that, you know, support plays a big part in your life, right? When people around you support you, it encourages you, it makes you feel good. When people around you believe in you, it amplifies your belief in yourself, and so forth. But I just want to speak to those who feel like they don't have support in their life, but yet they still keep going. I feel like support is very important, but you guys must know that even if you didn't have the support, what are you going to do? Not do anything about it? Like, are you just going to stop doing everything that you want to do in life because no one supports you? Literally, when you decide to birth something into this world, people will say, like, it's not worthy, it's not good enough, it's not this. But if you ever took a moment to look at what those people are doing with their lives, like, they're not doing something half as courageous as you are. And so you really can't let the words, I won't even want to say they're small words, because words hurt. Words hurt, and they're very important. People would say, like, oh, sticks and stones break my bones, but words would never hurt. words hurt more and they last longer in your mind. And so if you're surrounded by a bunch of unsupported people, I want you to nurture yourself. Make sure your priority is cleansing your mind from all the negativity around you. Making sure your spirit is always high vibes, you know. I want you to keep fighting. Keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Period. Yeah, keep swimming. And don't stop. Because best believe when you get to where you want to be, when you reach your dreams, those same people who didn't believe in you will be like, oh my gosh, wow, this is so amazing. Wow. Like, I told you this before. I told you I was going to win. And we win again. And we win again. And we win again. Nicki Minaj, y'all. Nicki Minaj. Listen to Win Again by Nicki Minaj. That's going to give you the strength. That's going to give you the motivation to keep going. Keep doing the uncomfortable thing. Personally, I'm the type of person who I learned to be comfortable in the uncomfortable. It's very uncomfortable, y'all. It's very uncomfortable. Do you think a caterpillar is comfortable when it's turning into a butterfly? Do you think so? Do you think a baby bird is comfortable when it's first learning how to fly? Yeah, I just want you guys to keep going and never stop and shoot for your dreams, regardless of how crazy it seems. Bars. I'm a poet, y'all. But yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoy. I think I like this type of content. If you like this type of content, you let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow all my social platforms. I appreciate it. Let's get to know each other. Let's get to know each other and become besties. Besties. You need a bestie? I'll be your bestie.